In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a contact group in Outlook. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're managing communications for a large team or need to regularly update contact lists. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by navigating to the Outlook website or opening your Outlook application if you have it installed on your computer. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a sign in option at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll need to sign in with your email and password. This step ensures that you're accessing your account and able to make changes. It's always a good idea to make sure your login information is up to date to avoid any hassles. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the People section. You can find this by looking at the navigation options on your Outlook homepage. Click on People, and this will take you to where your contact groups are managed. After accessing your contacts, locate the contact group you wish to edit and click on Edit. This option will allow you to make changes to your group details quickly. In the edit interface, you'll see the current name of the contact group, as well as options to add or modify both the members and the description of the group. This is your chance to tailor the group to better suit your needs. You can rename the contact group if necessary, perhaps to reflect a change in team structure or function. Additionally, you have the flexibility to add new members or remove those who are no longer active participants. If your group could benefit from a descriptive note to help others understand its purpose or scope, you can add this information here as well. Once you've made the necessary edits, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click on it. This step ensures that all your modifications are securely stored and you can move forward knowing your contact group is updated. And there you have it, a simple and efficient process for editing a contact group in Outlook. By following these steps, you can keep your contacts organized and maintain effective communication with your networks. Whether you're updating group names, adding new members, or refining descriptions, Outlook provides a user-friendly interface to make these tasks manageable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made your experience with Outlook a bit smoother. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to streamline your digital tasks.